So I call this method the A to Z niche research method. And what I mean by that is by using all of these categories on bookbolt, notebook, journals, music sheets, calendar, and planner. And we're going to go back to Amazon and start with notebook. So I'm going to do notebook dash the letter A, and you can see notebook and planner. You can do extra research on this. We're going to go to B, notebook budget binder. That's another niche. Notebook blank pages. That's a keyword actually. Let's go to C, notebook college. That's another niche. Let's go to Z, notebook diary, notebook dotted. Actually, notebook diary is a niche. So you see what I'm doing there? I'm using the A to Z. I'm actually going to do that from the letter A to Z on all of these categories. And that's how you get unlimited niches. So if you want to know exactly how I pick my niches, keep watching. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I'll be giving you the tips and tricks on how to find unlimited niches for your KDP business. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to bookbolt. I've spoken about bookbolt in my previous videos. Bookbolt is the #1 software that you ever need for your print on demand KDP business. Bookbolt does research finds the best-selling books out there, and you can get your interiors from bookbolt, as well as you can do your design cover and even upload to KDP using bookbolt. So if you ever need any software to help in your KDP business, bookbolt is that software. And bookbolt is only priced at $99 per month, and you have access to all these features I'm talking about. And if you want to get a 20% discount, you can use the code Make Money Online and use my link in the description below. So I'm going to go back to bookbolt and show you how you can find unlimited niches for your KDP business. So the first thing I do is to go to this cloud right here, click on it, and this is how it looks like. You can search for the best-selling books that you want to find in each of these categories right here: notebook, journal, music sheet, calendar, and planner. So I'm going to start with notebooks. I'm going to leave the BSR range as it is, and I want the top 100 book in the notebook category, and I'm going to leave the price range as it is. If you want additional keywords, you can click here and write the keywords you want, but I'm just going to do a general search. So these are the top books that you can get ideas from to make your own books. This is just one way that I used to get unlimited niches. The second way I use to get unlimited niches is by using Amazon. So I go directly to Amazon, and if I'm looking in the notebook category, I'm going to go to Amazon and do the A to Z method. That's what I call it, the A to Z KDP niche research method. So what I do is I start with notebook. I start with A, notebook and planner. Keywords come up. Actually, these keywords is what people are actually searching for. So that's why Amazon returns these keywords to actually see if those are the kind of books we're looking for. So we're going to use this to our advantage, and we're going to use those keywords that people have entered to search for books to make books for them. So in this case, I typed A, the letter A, and notebook and planner came up. But notebook and planner is a very broad keyword, so we have to niche down. Let's click notebook and planner. So notebook and planner, we can start with the letter A. It says action planner notebook. That's a niche. So let's click on that and see what we have. So as you can see, only 327 results, and people are actually searching for this. I've already found a niche there. You see how easy it was to find a niche? And the best thing about this A to Z method is that many people don't use it. Many people don't know about it. So use this to your advantage. Use all these categories right here on bookbolt: notebook, journal, music sheets, calendar, planner, and do the A to Z method, and you're going to find unlimited niches that you can use for your print on demand business. I know some people say, oh, the notebook is very saturated and things like that. But the thing is, you always have to niche down. Niching down is the key. So, for example, if I search only for notebook, you see the number of keywords, the number of people that have books on notebook. Let me just do notebook. You see, it's over 6,000 results. But if I niche down to action planner notebook, only 327 results. So if you want to succeed in this KDP business, you must niche down. So our first niche is the action planner notebook. As you can see, it's just 327 results. Here are the books that are ranking. So if you want to do an additional search, because as you can see, these books right here are not KDP books, because KDP books are softcover books. These ones I think are hardcover as well as they have spirals. So this is definitely not KDP. Go back to bookbolt dashboard and go to cloud, and we're searching for only the books, KDP books. Now we're going to put in the keyword that we want to use. So we're going to use for the first bestsellers or the top 100 bestsellers in the BSR range between this and the price. I'm going to leave everything as it is and just put in the keyword. So I'm going to see only KDP books that are top ranking in this category. So wow, guys, are you looking at this? Estimated sales 141. So let's take a look at this book on Amazon. Let's see how it looks like. So apparently it is priced $585. So apparently it's just one book in this category. So this book has sold 141, monthly sales 141, and it's priced $585 and has an average BSR of 449,000. So guys, that's how I do it. That's how I find low niches or low competition niches. And if you want to do a keyword search for this book, if you want to find more keywords for it, all you need to do is come back to bookbolt, go to keywords, go to search, and put in the keyword you want to search for. So in this case, it's action planner notebook and search. We want to see how many people are searching for this per month. So action planner notebook. So looking at this, it says action planners. 74,000 people are searching for this, and it's actually low competition. 74,000 people are searching for this on Google, and on Amazon 512 people are searching for this. So guys, this is how I find low competition niches, and it is the same method you should use for all your KDP books. It's not difficult to search for this. All you need to do is, like I told you before, search in these categories: notebook, journal, music sheets, calendar, planner, and do the A to Z method on Amazon, searching in all of those categories. And I promise you, you'll find low competition niches like we just did. I didn't even know that that niche existed until today. So it's left for you to use this to your advantage to publish books to all those niches that people are not publishing in. After you're done finding your niches, the next thing you need to do is to search for your interior. And luckily for you, bookbolt too offers free interiors. You don't have to be a member to have access to bookbolt's interiors, but you have to be a member to have access to all of the interiors. So some interiors are free, and I'm going to show you how to have access to it right now. So go to their website, bookbolt.io. Actually, the link is in the description. Click on it when you land on their homepage. Go to resources, then interior wizard. Come to interior wizard, click on that. So you're brought directly to the interior wizard. So as you can see here, right, this one says members only. That means you have to be a member to log in into this, to have access to this interior. But for the rest of the interiors that you see without these members only, you have access to it. For example, this college road notebook, you can have access to it. Just click on it. If you want to download 120 pages, just type 120, and if your one is 6 by 9, just click 6 by 9. If you want an 8.5 by 11, click 8.5 by 11. And you want with bleed or no bleed, so I'm going to click no bleed and just click download. And in a matter of seconds, it takes you to another page with your interior ready to upload to KDP. So that's how it's very easy to get your interiors free to upload to KDP. So there are hundreds of interiors that you have access to. Others are for the members, and you can use this over and over and over again. So once you're done creating your interior, the next thing you need to do is to create your book cover. Bookbolt also has a book cover designer. So come to your dashboard, click on the icon, go down to Bookbolt designer right here. Click Bookbolt designer, and it's going to take you to another page where you have to log in to design your book cover. So in my previous video, I showed you how to design a book cover. Actually, is this one right here, Valentine's Day coloring book niche. I showed you how you can design a book cover with bookbolt. So if you haven't watched that video, I recommend that you do. So after designing your book cover, the next thing we need to do is to upload it to KDP. So bookbolt also has a bookbolt lister where you're gonna just click on it, and you have to add it to Chrome. It says remove from Chrome because I already have it added to Chrome. I use it to upload all my books to KDP. It's very easy, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So I already have the icon on my desktop right now as an extension. So on my browser, I already have the icon on my browser. So what you want to do after you've installed it on your browser, an icon is going to pop up on your browser. So what you want to do is click on it, and it's going to open right here. So once it's opened, as you can see, I already have profiles in my bookbolt lister. So what you want to do is to create a profile to upload. So if you want to create a profile, just come here, click add, and it's going to take you to this profile. So you're going to create a hotkey that you're going to use to upload all your books to KDP. By hotkey, I mean that a key that each time you press, all the information found on this profile is going to upload to KDP. So I always like using tab, but if you've used this tab as a hotkey for another profile, you definitely have to disable it. So by disabling it, I mean you click it's active right now, it's active, so disable it if you want to use that hotkey tab for another profile. So in this profile, I'm going to put tab, and I usually leave the shortcut empty. I'm going to put in the title of the book, the subtitle, your first name and last name, your description, and the keyword. So once you filled on all of this information and everything that is needed, is it going to be matte, is it going to your trim size and everything, click done. But once you've clicked done, don't forget to click is active, because if you don't click is active, whenever you click tab on your KDP dashboard, it's not going to work. So once you've uploaded your book, the next thing that you need to do is to advertise it. And in my previous videos, I've showed you how to advertise your book, both manually and the automatic method. So if you haven't watched my previous videos, if you want to know how to advertise, I recommend that you come to the KDP playlist and watch the videos there. Like I always explain, that advertising will put your book in front of customers who want to buy, and that's the fastest way for you to start selling your book as fast as possible. So if your book is consistently selling and you're saying that people are liking the book, I will recommend that you gradually increase the price of your book. So if your book was selling at $4.99 consistently, just increase it to $5.99 and see if it's selling, if it consistently sells. If the sales drop a little, don't be scared. Just keep on watching and see if it's gonna keep on selling. If the sales drop drastically, then you need to step it down to maybe from $5.99, step it down to $5.45 and watch it. And if the sales are coming in slowly, leave it there. But if no one is buying, then the right price for that book is definitely $4.99. Just leave it there. So bookbolt offers a whole lot of other features. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm just gonna highlight the few that I can highlight. The rest of them, I will recommend that you come to the tutorials and watch how each of the features work. They have short videos here that will help you fast track your understanding of bookbolt as a whole. So the next thing, or the features that I like to talk about, the features I really like: the cloud. I've already spoken about the cloud. I've spoken about the keywords. I've spoken about the KDP spy. I've spoken about bookbolt lister. I've also spoken about the bookbolt designer, as well as puzzleways. So if you haven't watched the video about puzzleways, or if you have seen the video I previously made just a couple of days ago, puzzleways generates puzzles, all types of puzzles for KDP. So if you want to learn more about puzzleways, everything is right here in this video. And there are other, also spoke about the interiors right here. So there are a whole lot of features here that you really need to have access to for your KDP business. So you should definitely check it out. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to learn more about KDP print on demand, this is the channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.